I just picked up this folding saw from the post office today. It's a Tajima G-saw 210 millimeter or 8.2 inches. It's made in Japan. I got this from eBay for $21.73. Quite affordable, really, considering this a Japanese product. Now let's open this baby up. So let's look at the packaging. It's in Japanese, so we don't understand this stuff. So okay, first look at my Tajima saw. Yeah, nice grip. It's rubberized. Now let's open this up. Wow, locks up into place. Quite sturdy. No move, a little bit of movement. To close it up, you have just to press this button, this part here, such, and then there you go. Got the blades. Let me see. It says here made in Japan. There you go. That's my new Tajima folding saw. I'm gonna go outside and try this out. I'm gonna try this saw out on this 1 inch and 1/4 thick branch. Let's see. Try it once more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Just 10 strokes without even really trying. I'm gonna love this saw. It's a pull saw, so you have to exert force on the downward stroke. Here we go. Sorry. There you go. Very nice.